In today's world, where everything is digital, making money online has become more accessible than ever. There are various ways to earn passive income online without investing too much time or money. In this video, we will be discussing 10 proven methods to generate passive income from the comfort of your own home using just your computer and an internet connection. So if you're looking to supplement your income or even create a new stream of revenue, be sure to stick around and learn about these exciting opportunities. Take online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up with survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research to take surveys and earn cash or gift cards. While this may not be a full-time income, it can be a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Start a blog. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog on a topic that you are knowledgeable about. You can earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. To make money from a blog, you will need to attract a significant amount of traffic, which can take time and effort. However, once you have built up a following, you can earn passive income from your blog for years to come. Sign up to a gig working platform. There are a variety of gig working platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit that connect freelancers with businesses or individuals who need specific tasks done. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, or data entry and earn money on a per-task basis. Some other platforms are Amazon Mechanical Turk, which lets you transcribe the audio, moderating content, or take surveys. Clickworker is a similar platform where you can do small tasks for businesses across the globe. Start an online store. If you're looking for ways to start an online store, you have a few options to choose from. Firstly, if you're a creative person, you can open an Etsy shop where you can sell handmade items, artwork, clothing, and much more. If you are not inclined towards the creative arts, you can start a dropshipping store. This involves creating an online storefront where you can take orders from customers and then order the products directly from a third-party supplier to be shipped to the customer. Shopify provides a complete walkthrough for dropshipping, and their platform can be used to set up your online store as well. Shopify encourages entrepreneurs to consider dropshipping to reduce stress and gain the flexibility of working remotely. Start a YouTube channel. Making money on YouTube is achievable without needing extensive knowledge or expertise. You can produce instructional or informative videos on almost any topic or create more personal content by featuring yourself in the videos. Interview experts on a subject, offer advice and guidance, or simply play and review various video, mobile, or board games. The key is to carve out a specific niche and cultivate a dedicated audience. Once you have built up a following, you can monetize your channel through Google Ads, partnering with YouTube, and earning revenue from memberships, live chats, and subscriptions. Become a transcriptionist. Transcription involves converting audio or video recordings into written form. If you have good listening and typing skills, you can become a transcriptionist and earn money on a per-project basis. Websites like TranscribeMe and Rev are great places to start. Test websites and apps. Companies are always looking for feedback on their websites and apps. You can sign up with user testing or try my UI and get paid to test websites and apps and provide feedback on your user experience. Sell your photos. If you're a skilled photographer, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. You can earn money every time someone downloads one of your photos. Become a virtual assistant. If you are organized and detail-oriented, you can become a virtual assistant and help businesses or individuals with administrative tasks. Websites like Fancy Hands and Zirtual are great places to start. Buy and sell domain names. If you have a knack for identifying valuable domain names, you can buy and sell them for a profit. You can use platforms like GoDaddy Auctions and Sea-Doo to buy and sell domain names. While it can take time to find a buyer for your domain name, it can be a lucrative source of passive income once you have identified valuable domain names to invest in. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Stay tuned and see you soon.